Mercedes-Benz je postregel svetlobno revolucijo. Žarometi, ki nikogar ne slepijo, čeprav svetijo najbolj daleč, kar se v danem trenutku da. Toda takšno tehnologijo lahko že kupimo, jo pa novi, tako imenovani digitalni žarometi izboljšajo tako, da
we bring light on a micro mirror system, a bunch of 1 million small tiny micro mirrors, which then project the lights in the right way. So we can create dark pixels, bright pixels or even gray pixels.
Pravzaprav ne moremo več govoriti o svetilkah, ampak kar o računalniškem projektorju. Zahteven software v ozadju namreč s projiciranjem svetlobe nudi funkcije, na katere sploh še nismo pomislili.
With those high intelligent light projections, we have the opportunity to project traffic lines, for example in construction areas or on narrow country roads. We can project directions, so traffic signs or directions arrows to support our navigation systems, in addition on the road. And the very important thing is that we are able to warn the customer in critical situations by using a spotlight function. So we can animate a spotlight to a pedestrian or to an object without glaring him and without have glare for our driver. The third area is communication. And that is really a cool thing to communicate with light. For example, we will have the opportunity to come into contact with a pedestrian so that he recognizes that the car and our driver has recognized the pedestrian by projecting an animated crosswalk on the street. And if those animation is done in a proper way, the pedestrian can cross the street in a very safe manner.
V naslednjem prispevku pa vam pokažemo še en pripomoček, ki zahtevno programsko opremo obdeluje podatke, ki jih priskrbijo svetlobni žarki, sicer nekoliko drugačne frekvence. Od blizu smo pogledali LIDAR.